Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. How many butterflies will you see at our Butterfly Garden Expedition at Markham Park on Saturday? There's snow in the forecast for Quiet Waters Park on Saturday. Chill with the family at City of Deerfield Beach's Winter Wonderland. There will be a snow hill, snow slide, a life-size snow globe, bounce houses, food trucks, and more. Catch the last new moon of 2018 at the New Moon Hike at Markham Park. Rev up your engines for the Toys in the Sun Run. The Bikers' 26-mile ride ends at Markham Park, where there'll be a day of fun, festivities, and music from rockin' guitarist Bret Michaels. Hear the soothing sounds of bluegrass at the Dan Barrow Memorial Bluegrass Jam held at Fern Forest Nature Center. Enjoy your weekends. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.